Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.